Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. We're looking for a busy Saturday night, but then right away, what did I do? Decline. I've been declining, then I finally got one. $10.42 for 26 minutes. The mileage is a little longer than I'd like, especially to start. I'm glad I got one. Let's keep the night rolling. Wish me luck. Hi, Uber Eats for Mark. Perfect, thank you. Hi, Uber Eats for Mark. Yep. There you go, thank you.
Thank you.
So after about 10 minutes of declining, we finally got a good one. $16.60 for 34 minutes. This is amazing. It's 2 pickups and drop-offs, but let's go grab them. I'm excited to get this night going. Uber Eats, yes, for Kathy. Is it that one? A 2E109.
2A109?
2E.
2E109. Yep.
Oh, perfect.
Sorry, it's all the way there.
Yeah, no problem. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. So the first restaurant was only a couple-minute wait. That one, I waited at least 10 minutes. Not really great. I don't love that. But every once in a while, I get this question around how long do you wait at a restaurant? So I thought, perfect time. I'm going to answer that question now. What I do is I take a look at what the dollar amount is. This one was $16 and change. So in my head, I wasn't going to wait longer combined with those 2 restaurants over 16 minutes. That's at least my rule of thumb, because $1 a minute, that's the way I go. Comment down below. I'd love to know what you do. If you hear 10 minutes, are you out of there regardless of how much money? I didn't want to lose the $16, but I'm glad it was only 10 minutes. They gave me a Coke for my troubles. I really appreciate that. That's great. We are only 9 minutes away from the drop-off. Let's get it done. There you go, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care. You too. It's been a slow night so far, but the orders I'm getting are really good orders. Take a look at this one, $13.04, 20 minutes. Let's hope Little Caesars is on it, so this way we can cut that time down to 15. Hi, Uber Eats for Josh. We good to go?
All good.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Hi there. There's
how you
your,
doing?
not too bad. How about you? That's your poppin' bread, and there's your pizza.
Thank you.
Thank you, enjoy. Take care. So far, every time I've made a drop-off, I've had to wait and I had to wait. Not this time. I got one right away. $8 and a penny for 23 minutes. It's gonna take 7 minutes to get the Starbucks, and then it's probably 7 minutes to the drop-off. Let's go do it. Hi, is that for Ty, Uber Eats? Yeah. Perfect, thank you. Just pop it in here. It's been about 15 minutes since the last one. Uber's slowing me down, or just no orders. Literally, there's no orders coming in. Not good ones anyway. Until now, $17.69, 29 minutes. Yay, finally we got another great one. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Miriam. Perfect. Great, thank you. Hi, Uber Eats for Caitlin.
Caitlin?
Yes. Awesome, thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Hi. There you go. Thank you. You got it? Perfect, thank you. Hi, got your delivery?
Hi.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Take care. So it's still becoming really slow tonight. Not really the best night. I'm not sure what's going on. Saturday night's supposed to be prime time, but I took this one, $7, 14 minutes. It's getting me closer to home, so might as well take it and make some money. Oh yeah, and if you can like and subscribe this video, that would be awesome. Thanking you in advance. Is that for Susan?
Yes.
Thank you. So that's going to do it for me tonight. That brings my total to $72.86. About 3.5 hours, just a touch over. Not the best, not the worst, but I'll take it. I had some really good offers tonight. I just didn't have enough of them. That happens sometimes. You know what? I'll deal with it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.